The equation of the curve C is such that the derivative of the equation is given. The curve passes through the point 4, 7. Find y in terms of x. So we can do just, if we integrate this derivative, we'll get the original equation. So we'll integrate x minus 3 whole square multiplied by x raised to power negative 12. Now if we open the bracket, we'll get x square plus 9 minus 6x multiplied by x raised to power minus half. Now if we multiply x square with x raised to power minus half, the powers just add. So 2 minus half is equal to 1.5. So x is equal to 3 by 2 plus 9x raised to power minus half minus 6 raised to power 6x raised to power 1 by 2. Now we can just integrate this. So 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2, and 5 by 2 must be divided by x. So it became 2 by 5 x raised to power 5 by 2 plus, so minus half plus 1 is positive half. Positive half divided by 9 is 18, and x is half minus, now half plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2, and 6 divided by 3 by 2 is 4. So 4x 3 by 2. So the equation is all integrated, but this had no limits. So this integral had no limits, so there will be a constant of derivation. To find this constant of derivation, we'll use these points. So y is equal to 4, 7. So 7 is equal to 2 by 5 into, now x raised to power 3 by 2, x is equal to 4. So this is 32 plus x raised to power half. So 4 raised to power half is 2. 2 times 18 is equal to 36 minus 4 times 4 raised to power 3 by 2 is 8 and plus c. So if we solve this, we'll get c equals to negative 49 upon 5. So y equals to 2 by 5 x raised to power 5 by 2 plus 18 x raised to power half minus 4 x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 49 upon 5. The equation of a different curve D is also such that the derivative, if the derivative is given, the curve instead passes through the point 4 comma k. So the derivative is same, but the points that the curve passes through is 4, and instead of 7 it is k. Describe in terms of k the transformation that maps the curve C onto curve D. So as we can see, only translation is happening, and this is of 2 marks. So 1 mark is for writing translation, and the second mark is to describe what type of it was translation, and by the factor of 0, as 4 is unchanged, so x is 0, and for the y we'll write k minus 7, because originally it was 7 but now it is k, so k minus 7.